We have another question. It's, do we need to adjust foaming agent concentration based on regrind percent?
No. When you're running regrind, if you're running 1% foam, you stay with 1% foam. If you're running regrind that's foam, you still stay with 1% because you're going to lose a lot of gas out the rear. Even with a low residence time, you're still going to lose it because it's just gas at that point. It's not a pellet that has to decompose and then start to go off. It's already gone off. So yeah, you shouldn't have to adjust the foaming agent when you're using regrind, and it should foam a lot better with regrind.